Well, it's a call that nobody wants to make, but thousands of Arizonans do every year, reaching out to poison control for help, from venomous bites to household accidents. The Arizona Poison and Drug Information Center is on the front lines.
12 News journalist Kyle Simchuk takes us inside where specialists are saving lives every day.
Inside this room at the University of Arizona's College of Pharmacy,
hello, this is the Arizona Poison Center.
a team of medical professionals stand ready to handle some of Arizona's most dangerous emergencies 24 hours a day.
And what symptoms is she having right now?
And how long ago did the child get into this medicine?
Arizona Poison Control Centers in Phoenix and Tucson picked up more than 70,000 calls last year, from medication mix-up to kids consuming cleaning supplies. There's no such thing as an ordinary day.
We get folks who drink hand sanitizer for the ethanol, or what we consider alcohol, but it actually had methanol in it, which is extremely toxic. And unfortunately, we have seen fatalities related to that.
Dr. Stephen Dudley, the director of the Arizona Poison and Drug Center in Tucson, says 60% of calls come from homes, and 80% of patients are able to stay home after being triaged by a poison specialist.
And so that's a big, big relief, especially for folks who are in rural areas where the nearest hospital might literally be an hour away. And it's clear as day, not only do we save charges, about $10,000 per patient, but we also reduce hospitalization stay when we're involved.
But some calls do require a trip to the hospital, and not all poisonings are from pills.
It just always reminds you, you're never quite truly safe in Arizona, unfortunately.
Arizona is known as the venomous creature capital of the United States and is home to the most diversity in venomous species. Last year, poison control centers in Arizona responded to over 4,200 scorpion stings, 285 rattlesnake bites, 238 bee, wasp, and hornet stings, 162 spider bites, and a single Gila monster bite.
It's almost always exclusively men, and it's always exclusively on the hands because they're trying to pick them up and play with them.
TikTok trends are another problem.
There's been spicy challenges where people try to eat certain spicy foods, and that could result in some GI distress, so people have called about that.
The majority of calls both centers receive involve children under 5 years old who don't know any better. There's a simple thing parents can do to protect them.
Get down on their level, kind of make sure that the cabinets are locked, you're keeping all medications up and away. Don't take it in front of children. They learn by watching.
If you do have a poisoning emergency, you can call 1-800-222-1222. Saving this number in your phone could save a life.
We're here 24/7, 365. No matter what your question is, we're here to help.
In Tucson, Kyle Simchuk, 12 News.
Doing some good work there, right?
Yeah, they
Who
sure
knew
are.
that eating spicy food could mess you up like that.